Hello everyone, I'm Kelly from Noble. Welcome to my lecture today. I will show some CNC machining process. There are 5 subjects we share with you. I share with you the application of CNC machining parts, materials, surface treatment, and our machining advantages. Let's talk about CNC industry application. Speaking of CNC, I think for intelligent manufacturing, everyone is no stranger. Many intelligent products of the structure parts are made by CNC machining. It's widely used in various industries, such as in the aerospace field. Some complex shaped aerospace parts are made by CNC machining, such as engine parts, aerospace structure parts, etc. Due to the high precision and repeatability of CNC machining, the quality and the performance requirements of parts can be issued in the automotive industry. In CNC machining can machine some automotive engine parts, base parts, body parts, etc. Though CNC machine high precision and consistency of parts can be achieved, improving the performance and safety of vehicles. In the field of electronics, some parts are machined by CNC process. Electronic structure parts, circuit boards, shell, etc. Due to the high efficiency and the flexibility of CNC machining, it can meet the rapid development and the production needs of electronic products. In the field of medical equipment, CNC machining can machine medical device parts, precision instrument testing, accessories, etc. The high precision and repeatability of CNC machining can ensure the quality and safety of medical equipment. In the field of mold manufacturing, CNC can machine the kinds of molds such as injection molds, die casting molds, stamping molds. Due to the multifunction of CNC machining, high precision machining of complex molds can be achieved. Here is a brief overview of how it works. Design phase. The process starts with creating a digital 3D model of the part or product using 3D software. Programming. Once the design is finalized, the 3D file is translated into a set of instructions known as which gets the CNC machining on how to move and operate. Set up. The workpieces is mounted onto the CNC machine, and the cutting tools are installed in the machining spindle. Execution. The CNC machine follows the programmed instructions to precisely cut and shape the material according to the design specifications. This could involve milling, turning, drilling, or grinding, depending on the requirements. Quality control. Throughout the process, operators may perform quality checks to ensure the dimensions and the surface finish meet the joints standards. Finishing. After the machining is complete, additional machining processes such as deburring, polishing, or coating may be applied to the part for improved appearance or functionality. CNC machining offers several advantages, including high precision, repeatability, and the ability to produce complex shapes with tight tolerance. It's an indispensable technology in modern manufacturing. Our company is mainly interested in intelligent manufacturing business and can provide customers with project supporting service including parts machining and manufacturing, and has some rich experience in many innovative fields such as intelligent care products, medical devices, automotive products, robots, and automation equipment. In these industries involve the parts machining of equipment must be dependent on the CNC machining. If you are interested in our business, you can contact us at any time or leave your contact information. We will contact you later program. We would like to help you with your project. We can machine the parts according to your drawings or design according to your ideas. Make samples for you first. After confirmation, start small batch machining or large batch machining. We have a professional R&D team, production team, quality control team to provide you with service. Next, let's talk about CNC machining materials. About the CNC machining materials, here are some of the materials we often machine: steel, aluminum, brass, and copper, ABS, PUM, PMMA, HDPE materials can meet most of your needs. Steel materials as below: 45 steel, 304 stainless steel, 316 stainless steel, low carbon steel. About aluminum materials such as 60, 61, 60, 63, 50, 52, 70, 75 aluminum. The first three kinds of aluminum are commonly used in our machining. 70-75 aluminum is relatively light. Application of stainless steel. Stainless steel is an important metal material with corrosion resistance, high temperature resistance, high strength advantages in various fields, have a wide range of applications. The application areas of stainless steel will be summarized below. The construction field. Stainless steel has important applications in the field of construction. First of all, stainless steel as a building material can be used to make doors and windows, walls, roof, and so on. Its corrosion resistance enables stainless steel to adapt to the needs of different environments. What is bright appearance can increase the beauty of the buildings. In addition, stainless steel can also be used to make interior decorations such as stair railings, suspended ceiling, etc., adding a modern and fashion atmosphere to the building. About the food industry, stainless steel is widely used in the food industry. Stainless steel material has good hygiene performance, does not produce harmful substances to food, and is easy to clean and can meet the hygiene requirements of food machining. Stainless steel equipment commonly used in the food industry are stainless steel tanks, stainless steel pipes, and so on. In addition, stainless steel can also be used to make kitchen tools such as bowls, knives, and so on. About the chemical industry, stainless steel is also widely used in chemical industry due to its excellent corrosion resistance. Stainless steel is often used to make chemical equipment such as reactors, storage tanks, pipelines. Stainless steel material can resist the erosion of various and the other corrosive materials to ensure safety and stability of chemical production. Let's talk about medical equipment. Stainless steel also has important applications in the field of medical devices. Has the characteristics of corrosion resistance and high temperature resistance, which can meet the requirements of healthy and durability of medical devices. Common stainless steel medical instruments are surgical instruments, syringes, and so on. In addition, stainless steel can also be used to make artificial joints, implants, and other medical devices to help patients recover. About aerospace, stainless steel also has important applications in the aerospace field, has high strength and corrosion resistance, which can meet the material requirements of aerospace spacecraft. Stainless steel is often used to make aircraft structural parts, engine parts, gas turbines, and so on. The application of stainless steel can improve the performance.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hi, welcome, good friends. The application of stainless steel can improve the performance and reliability of aerospace spacecraft and ensure the safety and development of aerospace industry. About energy in the stainless steel. Stainless steel is also widely used in the field energy, has the characteristics of high temperature resistance and corrosion resistance, which can meet the requirements of energy equipment. Stainless steel is often used in the production of nuclear power equipment and thermal power equipment, solar equipment, and so on. The application of stainless steel can improve the performance and the service life of energy equipment and promote the development of the energy industry. In summary, stainless steel has the advantage of corrosion resistance, high temperature resistance, high strength, and has a wide range of application in construction, food industry, chemical industry, medical equipment, aerospace, energy, and other fields. The application of stainless steel can improve the quality and the performance of products, meet the needs of different fields, and make important contributions to the development of society. With the progress of science and technology and the improvement of the process, the application field of stainless steel will be further expanded and depended. Do you know about the material of middle steel? Let me tell you. The common steel mainly includes the following steps of material: ordinary made steel, This refers to steel with a carbon content between 0.05% and 0.25%. This kind of steel has the advantage of good precisability, strong weldability, and low cost, and is widely used in mechanical parts, auto parts, and other fields. Nickel-free middle steel refers to steel in addition to iron, carbon, manganese, other alloying elements content of less than 0.5%. This kind of steel has the advantages of high strength, good toughness, wear resistance, and is widely used in mechanical parts, building, and other fields. Microalloy mild steel. This refers to low-carbon steel containing trace alloying elements. This kind of steel has the advantage of high strength, wear resistance, heat resistance, corrosion resistance, and it is widely used in automotive parts, building structure, and other fields. Current low-carbon steel. This is the steel that adds appreciate alloying elements to low-carbon steel and obtains excellent mechanical properties after quenching treatment. This kind of steel has the advantages of high strength, wear resistance, good toughness, and is widely used bridges and highway tunnels in high-end cold areas. High-strength low-carbon steel. This refers to the carbon content of less than 0.25% of the low-carbon steel after quenching or tempering precision to obtain excellent medical properties. This kind of steel has the advantages of high strength and good toughness, and is widely used in automotive parts, reinforced concrete, and other fields. In summary, low-carbon steel, because of its low strength, low hardness, good plastic and toughness, as well as excellent weldability and coat formability, is widely used in many fields, can meet the application needs of different fields, such as mechanic parts, auto parts, shipbuilding parts, building structures. Application areas of low-carbon steel materials. Construction fields. Low-carbon steel pipes are widely used to transport water, gas, as well as building structures, support frames, steel beams, and so on. Manufacturing as a material for mechanical parts, automotive components, tools, and cutters. Infrastructure occupies an important position in the construction of bridges, railways, and highways. Pipe transportation. Low-carbon steel pipe is used to transport water, gas, and so on. Building components. Low-carbon steel is used to make various building components, such as containers and agricultural machinery. Medical parts. Used to make medical parts with low strength requirements, such as chains, bolts, shafts, etc. These applications of low-carbon steel benefit from its good plasticity and weldability, and are suitable for structures that do not require high strength. Due to its low carbon content, low strength and hardness, plasticity and toughness is suitable for cold plastic deformation, molding process, welding and cutting machining. Application areas of copper materials. Copper can be made into various mechanical accessories such as nuts, screws, bearings, etc. Copper has good machining properties and has high wear resistance and shock absorption properties, so it's suitable for use in the field medical manufacturing. In general, copper has a wide range of applications, industry and manufacturing. It has the characteristics of good electric conductivity, corrosion resistance, seawater erosion resistance, and shock absorption make it an indispensable material in various fields. Let's talk about electronic industry. Copper is an important material in electronic products such as circuit boards, wires, and so on. Need to use copper because copper has good electric and thermal conductivity. It can help electronic products transmit signals and make them run well. Construction field in the copper. Copper is also widely used in the field of construction. The main use is to make roofs, wall panels, and other external decorative materials. Copper has characteristics such as high strength, corrosion resistance, and is not affected by light and other external factors related to construction, so it can maintain long-term beauty and durability. Ship field in copper. Copper is also widely used in the field of ships. Ships use a lot of copper to make pipes, which need to operate stability on the water and need to resist corrosion and seawater erosion. Copper is resistant to corrosion and seawater erosion and can resist high pressure and high temperature conditions. Let's talk about other materials: ABS, POM, PMA, and HDPE. These materials are used in CNC machining and injection molding. The raw material for injection molding are slightly different from the raw material for machining. The raw material for injection molding are granular and the raw materials for machining are generally bar or round. Let's talk about parts finish. After CNC machining, its color of material itself is you want to make the surface of the part look smooth and beautiful. We can do the surface treatment of the part, that is, make the surface on the surface of the part. We can do powder coating, painting, anodizing. These colors can be done according to your requirements. After the machining is completed, we will sandblast the parts. Generally speaking, if the customer does not require us what the blasting number is, the sand of this part is number 100, and the purpose of sandblasting is to cover the scratches on the surface and life marks of the parts during machining. Of course, if it's the internal parts, you also don't need to sandblast of the parts. Can directly do anodizing, and the external part must be sandblasted to cover the defects of the parts. The thickness of powder coating is usually about 1.0.1 mm, and there are many surface requirements for powder coating, such as smooth, texture, and glossy. The sample thickness of painting is about 0.05 mm. Its thickness is thinner than the powder coating, and the surface is not friction resistant to the powder coating. At the same time, it also has a glossy and matte surface. Our service capabilities and advantages. Our advantage is to provide one-stop service by integrating our own machining capabilities and industry manufacturing resources, including some project support from order to production, quality testing, assembly, packaging, delivery, and have professional service for your projects. From product development to knowledge packaging, it has the following process: product definition, reverse engineering, appearance design, structure, circle, software design, prototyping, machining, manufacturing, accessories, purchasing, product assembly, product testing, packaging notices. Among them, product definition and appearance design are completed by customers. Structure, circuit, software design, prototyping, manufacturing, and product assembly are professional services that our company can provide. Reverse engineering, accessories, purchasing, product testing, packaging notice. Our company can provide support for some projects will evaluate according to your demands. Measure is here for now. Is there anything you need to know about CNC machining? Next, my colleagues will share it with you. Welcome to Fiona.
Hello everyone, this is Fiona, and let us continue our life. And we want to share 3D printing with you. And the first question is what 3D printing is. In recent years, there has been groundbreaking technology, and it has emerged that it is reshaping the landscape of manufacturing and design. And this is 3D printing. And 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing, and it is a process of creating 3D dimensional objects from a digital model or design. There is a difference between traditional manufacturing and 3D printing. The traditional manufacturing involves subtracting materials through cutting or molding. 3D printing machine parts layer by layer and adding materials until the final object is formed. It offers a completely new manufacturing method. It enables the production of complex geometry, custom design, and rapid prototyping. And the second question is how 3D printing works. 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing. It is different from traditional manufacturing methods. Traditional manufacturing subtract material through cutting or molding. 3D printing machine parts by adding materials layer by layer, and it offers a completely new manufacturing method. It enables the production of complex geometry, custom designs, and rapid prototyping. The 3D printing process can be summarized into 5 steps. The first is create a 3D model using CAD software. Of course, a 3D model can be created with a 3D scanner, and the model defines the shape, size, and the complexity of the final product. The digital model is sliced into thin horizontal layers using specialized software. These are the blueprints for a 3D printer. The machine uses this to guide its movement and material deposition, machining parts layer by layer. And depending on the specific 3D printing technology, various materials can be used, such as plastics, metals, and even food-grade materials. The material selection depends on the required property and application of the parts. The 3D printer machine parts according to the instruction from the sliced model. Materials is deposited or solidified layer by layer and gradually building up the part. This can be achieved through techniques such as FDM, SLA, SLS, or binder jetting, among others. Once the printing process is complete, the object may require finishing treatments such as painting, polishing, or other surface treatments. It achieves that desired aesthetics and functionality. The third question is what 3D printing's advantages and disadvantages. Firstly, advantages of 3D printing. 3D printing can create complex geometry and internal structures. It also can create customer designs. For example, designs are difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing. It frees designers from the limitations of traditional tools, and it opens up new possibilities for innovation. 3D printing enables the quick and cost-effective production of prototypes. It also allows designers and engineers to validate their designs and test functionality. This speeds up the product development cycle and reduces time to market. The initial investment in 3D printing equipment can be significant, but it offers cost efficiency in various ways. It minimizes materials waste by adding materials only where needed. It does not need complex tooling, and it allows for on-demand manufacturing, reducing inventory costs and enabling just-in-time productions. With 3D printing, customer parts can be easily created by modifying digital models. This capability is especially valuable in industries such as healthcare, fashion, and consumer goods. Examples include prosthetics, dental braces, footwear, and personalized accessories. 3D printing excels in manufacturing complex parts and assemblies, including those with internal cavities, intricate features, or movable components. Then we talk about the disadvantage of 3D printing. There are an increasing number of materials available for 3D printing, but it is still more limited than traditional manufacturing process. Certain specialized materials or combinations may be not available for 3D printing, so it limits material selection for specific applications. 3D printing machine the materials differ in performance from traditional process, so the surface finishing of 3D printed parts is lower than that of traditionally manufactured parts. Additionally, 3D printed parts may have low mechanical strength and durability, especially in certain materials or processes such as CNC machining. And 3D printing can be relatively slow process. It will take more time for larger and more complex objects. Layer by layer printing takes time. It can be limitation for larger scale production or time sensitive projects. The initial investment cost for 3D printing equipment can be significant. The cost is higher for printers that can handle larger or more complex parts. Additionally, the cost of materials, maintenance, and post-processing can add up. It makes it less cost-effective for certain complication or high volume production. And the next question is if 3D printing is cheaper than manufacturing. 3D printing is indeed cheaper in the following situations. The first is 3D printing is often more cost-effective for rapid prototyping and small batch production. If a design has complex geometry or details, 3D printing is more cost-effective. 3D printing can be complex for small to medium production volume, especially customization or on-demand production is required. And next, we will show the application of 3D printing with you. 3D printing has found application across a wide range of industries. Prototyping and product development. Rapid prototyping use 3D printing enables faster design validation and iteration. It can reduce cost and time in the product development cycle. And the second is automotive. 3D printing is used to produce lightweight and complex parts for some industries, such as the aircraft and the automotive parts. It can enhance performance, healthcare, and biomedical. 3D printing can be used to produce custom modulation implants and surgical tools. And the next is education and research. 3D printing is used to create visual aids and prototype scientific models. And 3D printing can be used to create complex models or building components. It can be used to create even entire structures. And now we know about the difference between SLA and SLS. SLA and SLS offer distinct material options and find application in various industries. SLA primarily utilizes liquid prototype photoresin, and it comes in a wide range of options, such as standard resin, engineering grade resin, and even flexible or transparent resins. SLA is particularly suitable for producing high detail prototypes, such as dental models and intricate visual models. SLS normally use powder material, such as nylon and other engineering grade material. It is used to produce functional prototype and end up parts and complex geometry. It allows even small batch production in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and customer parts. SLA and SLS offer unique advantages that cater to specific requirements. SLA provides high-resolution printing. It allows for intricate details and smooth surface finishing. It excels in producing visually stunning models with exceptional dimensional accuracy. SLA is suitable for applications that find details and the high-quality prototypes. SLS offers greater design freedom because it does not require support structures and can produce complex geometry. SLS is known for its durability and functional prototypes. It has a great ability to work with a wide range of engineering grade materials. In terms of cost, SLA and SLS have different considerations. SLA printers are generally more affordable than SLS printers. It is accessible to a wide range of users. However, the cost of resin materials can be higher compared to SLS powdered materials. SLS printers typically have a higher initial investment cost. However, it offers a lower material cost per part due to the use of powder manufacturing. This makes SLS more cost-effective for produce larger parts or batch production runs. SLS and the SLA are two distinctive 3D printing technologies. Each one has its own set of advantages and applications. SLA excels in high-resolution printing and detailed prototypes. SLS offers greater design freedom and durability. SLS also offers a wide range of engineering-grade materials. Our company is mainly engaged in intelligent manufacturing business. We can provide customers with project supporting service, including parts machining and manufacturing. And we have some rich experience in many innovative fields. Such as intelligent care products, medical devices, automotive products, robots, and automation equipment. If you are interested in our business, you can contact us at any time, and you also can leave your contact information. We will contact you after program. We would like to help you with your project. We can machine the parts according to your joints. And we also can design just according to your ideas, making samples for you firstly. After confirmation, start small batch machining or large batch machining. We can have a professional R&D team, production team, quality control team to provide you with service. Our company is mainly engaged in intelligent manufacturing business. We can provide customers with project supporting service, including parts, machining, and manufacturing. And we have some rich experience in many innovative
有买家进入直
fields
播间了。
such as intelligent care products, medical devices, automotive products, robots, and automation equipment. If you are interested in our business, you can contact us at any time. And you also can leave your contact information. We will contact you after program. We would like to help you with your project. We can machine the parts according to your joinings, and we also can design just according to your ideas, making samples for you firstly, and after confirmation, start small batch machining or large batch machining. We have a professional R&D team, production team, quality control team to provide you with service. And that's all we want to share with you. See you next week.